Selling your home for top dollar can feel like climbing Mount Everest, but what if you had a Sherpa to guide you every step of the way? That's where Redfin Concierge comes in, transforming your property from lived into loved first night ready. Redfin Concierge is a service designed to help homeowners like you maximize their home's value before listing it on the market. Think of it as your personal home makeover team. Redfin will coordinate and manage key improvements like painting, essential repairs, and even strategic staging. The goal? To make your home shine and appeal to the broadest possible range of buyers. Imagine the difference between a cluttered, dated space and a beautifully presented home that commands top dollar. Redfin Concierge helps you achieve that, potentially increasing your sale price. Redfin handles the upfront costs, and you simply reimburse them at closing. It's a hassle-free way to invest in your home's potential. So, if you're ready to elevate your home selling experience and unlock its true value, explore Redfin Concierge. Visit Redfin.com today and see how they can help you reach the summit of your selling goals. #REDFIN Concierge #home selling.